You're about to learn in just 5 easy steps how you can make $500 per week or more with the Fiverr affiliate program. Fiverr affiliate program is probably one of the best on the market today because you can promote hundreds and even thousands of different gigs from your affiliate program with one link, and no matter what somebody buys, you're gonna get paid for it. Plus, they have over 6 different ways that you can actually earn the commission. So you're gonna wanna stick around for that. And you're even gonna get choices of how you get paid. Maybe you wanna get paid up front, or maybe you'd like to prolong your commissions and earn every time that that person purchases again and again for an entire 12 months. Fiverr has been an amazing asset and business partner to me and has brought in so much business for me, and I even earn with the Fiverr affiliate program. And to be honest, people are making a lot of money with the Fiverr affiliate program, and it's super easy. So here are the 5 simple steps you need to know in order to make $500 with the Fiverr affiliate program. Step number 1, you have to set up an account. So setting up your plan is super easy. You just come over to affiliates.fiverr.com. Once you're here, link is in the description if you need it, and then just click join now or start earning now. And then it's gonna take you over to the page where you have to fill out your information. And you just put in your name, your email, username, password, create a password, account type, private or company. If you don't have a company, you just pick private. If you have like a company like an LLC, you can pick company. Do you have a main source of traffic? It's not a big deal if you don't have a source of traffic like a YouTube channel or a blog page or something like that. You just say no. Put in your country, whatever language you speak, Skype, and click next. Now, it's important that you get this done sooner rather than later because there is a waiting period. They are going to verify you. You're actually going to have to submit some information, and then they're gonna verify that you are who you say you are. So make sure you get that done now so that you can get approved sooner, because it is going to take a little bit of time. And then as soon as you get approved, you can move on to step 2. So on the same page, as I said, fiverraffiliates.com, link in the description, you can scroll down and it says see commissions. See, and right here, like this is my favorite part because there's like 6 different ways that you can earn from the Fiverr affiliate program, which I think is incredible. So they have Fiverr Business, they have the Fiverr Logo Maker, which is actually really cool. I've used that for my last logo. Fiverr Affiliates, Fiverr Learn, they have Fiverr Workspace, and then regular Fiverr, just Fiverr, everything. So let's see the commission plan. Now, if you're wondering how you're even gonna promote your affiliate links, stay tuned at the end because I'm gonna be going over exactly what you need to do in order to promote your links. Step number 2, pick your plan. So this commission plan is incredible. I think it's one of the best commission plans out there. You can pick and choose. You can pick a commission plan that fits your personal schedule, like your personal options, whatever you want, you can pick here. So let's go over a couple different things. Here's the 2 categories, I should say. So they have Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. The CPA is basically a cost per acquisition. So whenever you get somebody over to the Fiverr platform, a buyer to the platform, you can choose CPA and you can get paid a one-time fee. Or you can choose Fiverr Hybrid and then you get paid a one-time fee plus a 10% revenue share. So for 12 months. So basically, like they come in, you get a fee, and then you're also going to get revenue share for whatever they order over the next 12 months. Now, personally, I've done both of these, and honestly, I like them both, but I am going to lean in one way, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. Let's keep going. Let's look at that some more. So more products you can promote. So look, right here on Fiverr Business, if I can just highlight that, Fiverr Business is $100 plus 10%. So they're going to pay you $100 CPA, $100 cost per acquisition, once the account reaches $100 in spend, plus 10% revenue share for 12 months. That's a good deal. I really like that deal right there. And they also have Fiverr Affiliates, 10% of every referred affiliate's earning for a lifetime. So that's a good deal too. So you can also actually bring new affiliates into the platform, and you can get paid for all of their earnings up to 10%. For the lifetime of that affiliate. So if anybody uses my link in the description below, I'll get 10% of any income that you bring in. And I would really appreciate that if you did click my link because I'm going to give out some awesome training here in the future. And I hope you like this video as well. But it really means a lot to me and my daughter. It helps us, produce more videos for you and everything here. And then there's Fiverr Learn. So you get 30% of every course order on Fiverr Learn. And I think this is actually like a really good platform. So if you're in your affiliate promotion, if you want to teach or you want to promote people to people that want to learn a certain skill, well, you can just send them over to here and you can get 30% of every course order that they purchase. But wait, there's more. So the Fiverr CPA commissions. Fiverr offers different commissions, $15 to $150, depending on what category your buyer purchases from. You will qualify for CPA commissions once your buyer purchases on Fiverr for the first time. We call it FTB, first time buyer. What that means is you only get paid when you bring somebody over that's brand new to Fiverr. So if somebody already has an account on Fiverr, it's not going to count towards your commission. So just keep that in mind. But they do offer $150 for Fiverr Pro. This is the CPA. $50 for these categories: industrial product design, data science, mobile apps, website development. It's funny that this says new on website development because I would think that it's been around for a long time. And as you can see, you can keep going down when you scroll down the page. The commissions go lower: 40, 30, 25, 15, all other categories. So I wouldn't promote those specifically, but what I would promote is anything to do with Fiverr Pro or Fiverr Business. I feel like these are going to be your top categories to market to consumers. Now, if you're wondering, like, how do I even do that? How do I even market to business owners? Or how do I market these services to people? How do I find the people that need them? Well, if you really need to know the answer to that question, stay tuned because I'm going to be going over exactly what you need to do in order to promote these gigs. Step number 3, pick your niche or Fiverr Learn. Now it's time to make a decision, picking your niche or Fiverr Learn or Fiverr Affiliates. But what you need to do, and I really have to stress this, is you need to pick a certain category. I wouldn't go and promote everything to everybody. You want to pick something and then pick that target market and go after that market. Because let's face it, it's not super easy. I've been in affiliate marketing for a few years now, and it's not super easy. And this is what I've learned is that you need to pick a niche, a direction, and you need to go with that direction. If you focus on one particular niche or direction, that's actually going to pay you better dividends, a better return on your investment than trying to spread it out everywhere to everybody. So just make a note of that. I promise you that'll serve you well. But before we get into that, I put together a free resource for affiliate marketers that want to rapidly accelerate their growth. If you want my free affiliate marketing hacks, go ahead and click the link in the description and grab that. So let's go over to Fiverr and check out all the different niches that we can actually use to promote our Fiverr affiliate link. So here we are on Fiverr.com. And this is Fiverr.com Pro. And I went here first specifically because these are the gigs that we want to promote. So they have everything. I'll go over the categories here. They have graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, and you can see all the different subcategories that come up under all the top headings here: video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, and they really have some cool things here, and trending. So you can go in here, and if something's trending, well, that's probably a good indication that these gigs are probably high in demand. And so you want to go over and you can help promote these trending gigs with your affiliate link and probably have a lot of success fast when you first get started. And then as you scroll down, so these are just, pro sales copy service, pro articles, blog services, and if you're going to promote somebody specifically, look for somebody that has a lot of, look for a high number of orders, because this tells you, and it tells whoever's coming over to buy, that they actually have, they've been here for a little bit, they've actually done some orders, they're gonna have reviews, which is huge nowadays. It's all about the social proof. Can I go on here and do I see people reviewing you, and do you have good reviews? So make sure you're looking out for some of those things too. But all you have to do is pick which niche you want to order, you want to promote, and then just use your affiliate link to promote that gig. Now stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to pick your certain niche or gig and promote that. So the other thing I also want to show you is the Fiverr Learn courses and how you can use those to promote as well. So let's go over to Fiverr Learn, Fiverr.com Learn, I think. So here's Fiverr Learn, and you can actually promote these and earn 30% commission from any of these courses that you promote and somebody purchases. So they have everything here. So they have you can see all courses. You can go to marketing, graphic design, websites, writing, business, video photography, programs. So I encourage you to come on over to learn.fiverr.com. You can check these out and see what courses there are. If you want to learn a skill, go ahead and click the link in the description and come on over here and you can learn the course for yourself. Or you can pick one of these courses and promote this to your audience and make a commission for each time that they purchase. And that's a good thing to note because that means that they're not, even if they purchase more than once, you still get a commission. It's not just about that one time. So you can promote courses again and again and again to your audience and get paid every time that they order, that they click on your link and make a purchase. Step number 4, go to your Fiverr dashboard. and get your links. So let's go over to the dashboard and I'll show you exactly how to get your affiliate link and how to pick specific links that you want to use to promote specific gigs. So once you're in your dashboard, you're going to come over here to marketing tools, come on down to default and deep links, and you're going to click on that. So here's your default and deep links, and this is where you're going to pick specifically what you want to promote. And as you can see, these are the categories that we already went over, and it gives you a brief description of each. And it tells you exactly what's going on. So there's Fiverr CPA, cost per acquisition, Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business, and Fiverr sub affiliates. So, and if you want to pick a specific gig, I mean, you can just choose this. If, like, let's say I did CPA and they click this and they come over to Fiverr and I don't give them any direction, they're going to land on the main page and they're going to start from scratch. Now, what I suggest that you do is come down to the, we want to do specific links, and to do that we want to come over here and we're going to put the link right here. So where do you get the link that you need to put here at the LP URL? Well, we want to come over to your fiverr.com/pro, right? Because we want to promote pro verified gigs so that we get paid the higher commission up front. And then all you have to do is say, look at this one right here. I'm going to click on this one, crypto content to the moon. I mean, not that I do that, but I'm just going to click it because its price is so high. It's $375. So then what you do is you come up here, you grab the link here, you're going to copy it from the URL, you come back over here, I'm going to click here and I'm going to paste it in and I'm going to click enter. Now it gives me a specific link that I can use to promote that Fiverr Pro gig, and that, so when somebody comes over, they're going to see that specific gig before they click off anywhere else. Now hopefully when they go there, they click on that specific gig and you get paid the higher commission for that. But they can always click off of it and go to a different gig. So no promises there. If you don't get the highest commission, don't be upset. Just, you know, that they can click off of that gig and browse around and click on a different gig. But as long as that person comes over, clicks your link, comes over to Fiverr and purchases within 30 days, you get the commission. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets me know that you like this video and that I should make more like it. And plus, I really appreciate it because I'm working so hard to put this video together. All right, let's get back to the video. And step number 5, promote your link. And after you get approved to become a Fiverr affiliate, you're going to come over to your dashboard and you're going to pick a specific link to promote a specific gig. So now all you have to do is get about 4 people to come over, click on your Fiverr Pro affiliate link, come over to Fiverr, make a purchase, and you've made over $500. That's like $600. That's all you have to do, just 4 people. Now, some of you might be saying, Nick, that's great. I can do math and it makes sense. But how do I actually get somebody to click on my link? How do I actually get somebody to come over and purchase a gig from the Fiverr Pro? And to that I say, if you want to know how to promote your links for free, then click on the video right here where I show you the free way how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links.